Hey guys, it's Ash. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you join me in this tutorial. In this very short tutorial, I want to show you how you can easily clone, convert, or embed your tweet from Twitter into Figma designs. If you've ever wanted to copy your Twitter feed into your Figma designs, and I'll show you this plugin that does magic with this. So right on my screen here is HTML to design. This is a plugin that is available in Figma community. A very fantastic plugin that can literally help you just clone anything into Figma designs. I have done lots of tutorials around this plugin, but I just want to show you specifically how you can use this to clone your X feed or your Twitter feed into your Figma design. So coming back into our Figma project, I can just come to my plugins. I have this plugin here called HTML to design. In your own case, if you have not used it before, you can just come to manage plugins and then you can search for HTML to design. If I have it here, I'll launch this plugin. This is exactly what HTML to design looks like. It's a free plugin. You can use this plugin. However, there's some limitations to the free. Uh, just if you want to do more with this, you can go pro, and I'll show you some of the things you can do more with the pro version. So right now, let's come to our Twitter page here and just find any random feed or any random tweet that we want to just clone or copy into our Figma designs. So I can just literally just click this one, just something very random, and then I can copy this URL and I can come back to my Figma here, come to this plugin. I will just paste this here. The good thing about the pro version of this plugin is that you can add as many tweets as possible as you want to embed. So now I can just hit the down button here. I can come back, find another random tweet here, maybe something like this. I can click this as well. I can just copy this URL as well. So I can come back here and then I can paste that here. That's it. You can copy as much as possible as you want to. But one of the things you want to do again is before you hit the import button is for you to come to these settings here. You want to make sure that what you do here is that you change the viewpoint. By default, you might be having maybe 1920. You want to make sure that you switch this to the phone viewpoint, which is 380 pixels. You can play around with this. You can change this to 400, and that's one of the good things that you can do with the pro version. You'll be limited to the preset viewpoint here for your mobile view. So I'll switch this back to 380. The default one is pretty much okay for us to use by default. So that's pretty much everything we want to do here. Other options here for auto layout, hyperlinks are things that you can also look into. I'm not even sure if that is available in the free or in the pro version. I am using the pro currently. So what I want to do right now is for me to hit the import button and let's watch this plugin do the magic. Cool stuff. So this is done. So I will close this up. Just like that, we have Twitter in our Figma designs, Figma project, whatever you are doing. How super cool and amazing is this? So you can switch this down for you to see exactly what you have. Isn't this amazing? So you can rework this, you can zoom in more into whatever you want to do, and then you can see here. This is amazing. I find this super cool. One of the things you can still do here is you can make changes, you can make edits. So you can see that these definitely would still make reference to the live Twitter feed. So for example, if I open on this, so you can see this is still linking here to Twitter. So if I click on this, this should open up Twitter or yeah, x.com and then take me back to that particular tweet. And I think this is quite very good. And you can see one of the things you can do again is that you can edit everything that is here. You can edit, so you can see now for this URL here, we have the option to edit this. You can change the URL to maybe your blog page or whatever you want to do. You can change the numbers here. You can edit it to whatever you want to edit it to. And I think this is very amazing. So this is the super simple, easy way for you to bring in your Twitter feed, your Twitter status, whatever you want to do on Twitter into your Figma design. If you find this tutorial useful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll look out for them. Subscribe more to see more awesome tutorials like this from me. And that's my time for this tutorial. I'll see you in another one. Until then,